The steps are cool. Marley's investigating. What is it, Brownie? It's a place to mark.
Oh my word. Good boy, Brownie.
Okay, here we go. Let's see which one can get the other one tangled up. And get them back on the grass. And walk up that way a little ways.
Sure.
In the middle.
Oh, yeah, you want to?
Yeah, come on. Come on, boys.
We'll stop short of the fishing.
Yeah, let's go. Come on. Come on. I need to find me a spot to put my bottle. I think I can have a drink of water down here. Let's get them a drink of water. Come on, boys.
The water is, oh.
Trying to shove them off.
Drink out of there?
It ain't no worse than them drinking out of a mud hole.
I don't know.
Molly says he's going for water. Man, y'all can just forget it. He is thirsty and he is making his way. Is it good? Molly says Brownie found a better hole.
As dirty as dirty gets.
Yeah, if it's as dirty gets, but Brownie says he is thirsty.
I'm as thirsty gets.
You swimming?